Totally useless, but whatever.
Hi YouTube. So today on Gadget Overflow, we are looking at the Google Onhub device. Now this is a bit of an older device, which I found in my local second-hand shop, and my mate Timmy said that it's a really sweet device and I should pick one up. So I did. Cost me like $5, and the old lady there who served me was really nice. So what is the Onhub and what does it do? Well, I'm told that the Onhub is like a Wi-Fi thing that makes your Wi-Fi super sweet. And my Wi-Fi is kind of crap around here, so I wanted to make my Wi-Fi super sweet. Anyway, let's get to it and let's take a look at the Onhub. Now, the box here is already a bit open, as you can see. I already opened it just to make sure everything that was in there, but like just pretend I'm opening it for the first time because this is an unboxing video. So you flip this little thingy up here and it looks kind of broken, but that's only because I broke it before. And then you work at getting this thing out. It's really in there, which is like a bit of a problem. Okay, cool. And there it is, the Onhub device. So it looks like a bit of a flower pot or something like that, but like you can't stick flowers in there because there's like this speaker thing at the top, and you know, who knows what that does. So anyway, we'll get to it and we'll plug this thing in and see what's in there. And Timmy the Tiger here, he's holding me power cord. He's a little trustworthy fella. And the power cord goes in here around the back or the front. I'm not sure which way is the front or the back because it is a cylinder. And you know, cylinders don't really have fronts and backs. So once it's plugged in, you have to use an app on your phone to set it up. And I've already downloaded the app on my trusty phone. So I'll show you the app once I get it loaded here. And yep, here we go. So it starts off with this big blue screen, and blue's really nice. It makes me feel calm and like I don't get enraged or anything like that. If it was red, I might have this tendency to like charge at it. So then it starts looking for me device. Now it should find me device because it's right there and my phone's right here and the device is right there and I'm right here. So while it's looking for me device, like we just sit and sort of wait, and like you can have a ciggy or a beer or something like that, or a cup of tea if that's your jam. Like I'm not here to judge or anything like that. Like you get what you want, you know. I don't have a drink at the moment. I'm a bit unprepared today, but that's okay. This is how we do things here on Gadget Overflow. So once it's found the Google Wi-Fi point, like it tells you to go through these little steps, and like it wants to listen for something. I don't know what it's listening for. Oh, it's making this cool, sweet little sound. So you let it listen to the sound, and I think it's going to set itself up like the phone and the cylinders talking to one another. And then it's going to tell you like you should plug in your internet cable so you get the internets from like Telstra or something like that. They charge too much anyway. Like they just rip off. And then you can set your wireless SSID. I'm going to call it something super sweet, like FBI surveillance van, and like freak out the neighbors and old Mrs. Glick upstairs. She'll shit her pants. It'd be really good.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like, share. Yeah, okay. And my super secret password, which as you all know is password 000, because like password's easy to remember, and 000 for here in Australia where it's an emergency, you always want to be on your Wi-Fi. So that's basically it for the Google Wi-Fi. I'm going to try it out for a couple of weeks, and I'll let you all know on my next video on the follow-up. So look for part 2 of this video. Remember also to like, share, and smash that subscribe button. We've already been banned from YouTube once for like some bad shit we did, but like, you know, help us out and we'll get going again, and I'll be able to get off the dole and get me some more money from YouTube instead of the government for a change. So it'll be good. Thanks, guys.